Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and you're also welcome to my Python programming language tutorial. And I will use this medium to greet everyone and wish you guys a happy new year. And also you guys are welcome to 2022. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Python programming language on your PC. And before we start, I would like to refresh my page. So now my page is now refreshed. What we will be doing next is we have to go to our browser. So what I'll be using here is Google Chrome, and you can also use any other browser like Firefox or Internet Explorer. So on our search bar here, we will be making a search of Python download. So to download our Python, we need to search Python download or download Python. Anyone you like to use or anyone you wish to use, you can type it in there. So when you are done typing, you are going to click on the enter button to search. So here it is. Here is the results page. So Google will show you list of websites where you can download your Python. Now, as we can see, the first page here is the Python official page. So this is where you can download the latest version of Python. But if you wish to download the latest version of Python from another website, you can scroll down to check the other websites, and you will see a lot of websites there to download it. So, but in our case here, we are going to be making use of the Python official page or website to download our latest version of Python. So we have to click on the first page, which is python.org or python.org, anyhow you call it. It is good to go. So here it is, and this is the Python website page. So here we are having the download the latest version of Python. The latest version of Python is Python 3.10.1, and it is the latest version which has been uploaded. So you can also scroll down to check other version of Python, and there are lots of version of Python. So this 3.10.1 version of Python only works for them, but if you are using 32-bit operating system, you can also check other version of Python which is compatible with your system. And if you like to use the older versions, you can scroll down and check the one and the dates in which they were launched and published. So it has a download icon beside it to download your Python application. So now we are going to scroll back up to check some other version in which you can download. We have Python 3.9, Python 3.7, Python 3.8. So it is of different version. And now to download, you have to click on the download button, and it will immediately start downloading. And its size is not too much. It is 8.1 megabytes just to download Python. Can you see it is very easy to download, and you have to wait till it is downloaded. So now it is now downloaded. So we have to run the setup. So we have to go to the base, and we have to click on open. So after clicking on open, it's going to take us to run the setup, and let's wait a little bit. So the setup is going to show, and then we start the startup. So here is the Python startup. So to install, we have to choose the install now button, then it will start installing. So it will start loading now. So we have to wait a little bit for it to install. So I don't want to skip this process because I want you guys to see the full installation of Python. It won't take much time for it to finish it. downloading process, so we have to wait a little bit. So this is it downloading. So Python 3.1 operating system for Windows is downloading, though Python can also run on different operating systems like Linux, MacBook, but here is I'm just showing you guys how you can download it on Windows. And don't worry, in my next video I will show you guys how to download and install Python on MacBook and Linux operating system. So let's wait a little bit for it to finish installing. So the process is still going, so let us wait for some time.
It's tied tunes on the beat. It's tied tunes on the beat.
So we are done with the installation. So it has given us a message setup was successful. So your Python has now been installed on your computer system. So all what we need to do is to get our Python application running on our system. So we have to refresh our page, though I love refreshing my page. So here my page has been refreshed, and what we are going to do is to go to our start menu. So you can click on all apps, so it will bring the list of all apps. But if you check the top, you are going to see the list of the recently added application. So here, but in case if you did not notice the application at the top, so you have to scroll down to check the application in the folder. So Python 3.10 folder. So here you have to click on I do, and let me just right click for you. So we have the pin to start and uninstall run an administrator, but clicking on the application will take us to the application. So here is the Python I do, so you can start your coding immediately. But I've been thinking about something. I noticed something wrong here. The text is too small and I want a better coding experience. So it has a lot of options here. This is the file, so the edit, you can undo, redo. This is the start debug option. We have the windows, you can highlight, and so to change our text now we have to go to option configure ID. So after configuring ID, so now you have to choose your font. Now we are going to be using a programmer style of text, so we are going to be using the consolas. So the consolas is okay and it is cool, so I love using the consolas. So now I already changed the consolas, so I have to go to the apply button and click on apply. So after clicking on apply, you are going to notice a change in the text. So but I think it's this small, so let us choose the size. So I'm going to be choosing 14, and here you have to click on apply. So after clicking on apply, you are going to notice that it is going to become bigger. So let's wait and see. So now it has become bigger, and it is very easy to read, and it is very easy to code and enjoy with. So now we are done. So you have to click on OK to cancel the window now, so you can type your code. So we have, let me just type an example. So print, then you open your bracket, then string, then thanks for watching
It's time to on the beat.
this video. So you close your string and bracket, and when you click on enter, it's going to output what you have commanded it to print. So print, then you open your brackets into string. Don't forget to subscribe, then you close the string, then the bracket, you click on enter, then it's going to. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope to see you guys on our next tutorial. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a variable path on your operating system. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.